Hi everybody, this is Dr. Austin and I'm going to give you a quick video tutorial on how to get into Flipgrid and create your very first video introduction to the rest of your classmates. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open a browser window, and in the address bar up at the top type in Flipgrid. That might be one of the best ways. The other one is to go ahead and just click on one of the links that I'm going to have embedded in the Blackboard course. But always can go straight to Flipgrid and it will open up the following page. What you're going to do after that is in the black enter your grid code bar, you're going to enter the code for our class, and that is always going to be lowercase x, lowercase I, 781, lowercase O, not 0, but O. And then if you hit return, it will take you straight to our Enter the CSP page, where you'll find whatever questions we've decided. Hopefully, if you all like this, we'll have more questions there, but at the very least, to start, you're going to see a box here that says Class Instructions. When you click on that box, it's going to take you to the spot where you can add your own introduction. So once you've clicked on that white plus sign in the little green circle, it's going to take you to the first page of creating your own response, where you are going to record your response to the question. In this case, it's going to be an introduction, and it's going to give you over to the side there on the right a few questions, a few thoughts that you might want to include, but feel free to be creative with them. Next, you're going to be able to review your response, and once you click that little white arrow towards the right in the circle, the green circle at the bottom, it'll take you to the next page where you can review your response. If you don't like it, you can always go back and re-record it. Next, Flipgrid is going to ask you to snap a selfie. So the selfie is going to be the piece used as a cover for your particular response. Go ahead and snap one of those, and then click on the next little forward arrow down at the bottom. Finally, it's going to ask you to put some of your own information in. So go ahead and put in your first name and your last name, just so I know who we're talking about, as well as any other information you want to put in there. But the first name and last name really are required, so we know who to attribute the response to. And you'll finally get this success page that tells you that you are done. Go ahead then and click on download your response, and it will put it right into the selfie grid, so into the Flipgrid, so that everybody else can watch your video, and then they can respond to you. Once you're done with that, you're also going to then click the blue rectangle at the bottom and return to topic, and that will take you back to our Flipgrid page where you can see anybody else's responses if they have uploaded a video, and then you can start to make those comments and start to get to know your classmate. So I hope this was informative and it answered your questions. If it doesn't, please feel free to shoot me an email at caustin@atu.edu, or give me a phone call at my office number, which is 479-880-4282. And I can hopefully help you to get through and use Flipgrid, and that it will be something that you enjoy as well, and possibly could even take off into your own professional activities and use with your organizations, your offices, whatever you might do. It's kind of a fun thing to actually see somebody and hear them speaking real time, rather than just read comments that were done statically or just written. So thank you for giving it a try, and I will look forward to viewing your projects.